In this video, I will show you how to ready to use template in Microsoft Excel. So open Excel file and new. Make sure your laptop is connected with internet. Now here is the category you can search what you need to create. Like simple invoice, just select it and make changes as you need. Inventory list, household to-do list, and you can see the business project, personal. Simple servicing invoice, simple loan calculator, select it and create, and make changes and print. So this is the way you can use ready to use template in Excel. Thanks for watching.